Hi, I'm Advocate MOUSUMI Chatterjee practicing here in Assam. So today I have come in front of you all with a question that whether a divorced wife can claim maintenance from her ex-husband. So what do you think about this? So many of you all had been suffering a lot, or many of you have somebody who had been suffering with this kind of condition. So I am in front of you all to benefit something or may provide you some information which can actually help you in your case or in your day-to-day life, so that you can get some benefit from watching my video. So before starting this, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can get other informative videos and stay updated with legal informations. So here what happened today, when I was in the court and I was in a hearing proceeding, the client that I was appearing for is a petitioner, and she is a woman, and she had filed a divorce petition, and initially she was granted a divorce decree of divorce, and now her maintenance case is pending before the honorable court. So here we have come to the hearing proceeding. Now the case is in the hearing stage, and today I conducted the hearing. Here the question that arose, that now she had been granted a divorce decree of divorce. Now whether the maintenance case that is pending before the court, can she be granted any relief in that case? So I have come across Supreme Court citation, Supreme Court judgment, which actually says that yes, if the wife is not in any adultery, or has not yet married, or she is still in a position that she can get a maintenance under section 125, so she can obviously, the court will obviously give her a relief in that regard. And now she is also, the petitioner actually, she is also in a very deprived and deplorable condition, because she has no earning of her own, and she is maintaining her two children. Moreover, her father has died and she is living with her mother, old aged mother. So the whole family is in a very deprived position, and now the husband, he has got employed somewhere and he is earning his good handsome amount of money, but he doesn't take care of his children, neither he is concerned about their educational affairs and all. So I am very much hopeful that the honorable court will look into the whole matter and he will give a favorable judgment on our behalf. So my fingers are very much crossed, and I am very much hopeful with my case. And I think that in these kind of cases, the women folk who are suffering a lot, they should not lose their hope, and they should fight out their case in the court of justice, and the honorable courts will obviously grant them justice, because they can see into what is wrong and what is right. So with this hopeful note, I am ending my video. So again, I will request you all to subscribe my channel, so let us grow all together. Thank you.